The Mastertent is really easy to transport and is assembled in next to no time, completely without tools, quickly, safely, and reliably. You can choose from a large variety of accessories as well as different fabric colors and several frame colors, and you can select the size of your tent up to a representative 8x4 meters. In its special rescue version, the Mastertent is turned into the perfect command center for emergency situations. The rescue tent is provided with special sidewalls equipped with integrated doors and windows, insect screen, and night closure. Each wall has an extended layer at its bottom to guarantee complete impermeability, and the anti-slip floor is made out of tight PVC fabric. Everything is fixed and held in place by pegs and rods inserted in the special joint covers. The Mastertent is made in Europe out of fireproof impermeable fabric, and with its maximum lifetime, your Mastertent will be by your side helping our heroes to save us and keep us safe, regardless of the season, day, or night. Mastertent, building up moments.